Have you ever seen your favorite athlete on a cereal box, a video game, or even a billboard and wondered how that happens? It seems straightforward, but behind every image is a carefully constructed legal agreement that protects both the athlete and the brand. Athlete image rights are meticulously managed within comprehensive contracts, which are formal agreements specifying how a professional athlete's likeness, name, and other personal attributes can be used commercially. These contracts are essential for defining the scope, duration, and compensation for using an athlete's image. The core reason for these detailed agreements stems from the immense commercial value associated with an athlete's public persona, which is recognized as a form of intellectual property. Without explicit consent, commercial use of an athlete's image would be a violation of their publicity rights, which are fundamental personal rights granting an individual control over the commercial use of their identity. This legal framework ensures that athletes maintain ownership and control over their public identity while also allowing them to monetize their fame responsibly. Understanding the different ways an image can be used is also critical in contract drafting. For instance, using an athlete's image in an advertisement is different from including them in a video game or featuring their quote on a product packaging. Each scenario requires specific permissions and often different rates of compensation, reflecting the varied commercial impact and reach of each type of usage. These agreements prevent unauthorized use and ensure proper compensation for every commercial application. In practice, managing these rights involves clear, explicit clauses within endorsement deals, employment contracts with teams or leagues, and standalone image rights agreements. These clauses typically outline specific uses such as advertising, merchandising, or promotional appearances, alongside geographic restrictions and exclusivity provisions. They also detail the approval process, ensuring the athlete has the right to review and approve how their image is presented before it is released to the public. Beyond individual contracts, athlete image rights are often managed through collective bargaining agreements, especially in major sports leagues. These agreements between player unions and leagues can establish baseline rules and revenue-sharing models for group licensing. This allows multiple athletes' images to be used together, for example, in video games or trading card sets, which benefits both the athletes and the licensing entities through broader commercial opportunities. Ultimately, the careful management of athlete image rights in contracts serves to protect the athlete's personal brand, maximize their commercial potential, and ensure fair compensation for the use of their likeness. It also provides brands with the necessary legal certainty to invest in athlete endorsements, fostering mutually beneficial relationships in the dynamic world of sports marketing.